Welcome to this video on network devices. Today, we will explore two essential devices that connect your home and office to the internet, the router and the modem. These devices work together to bring internet access to all your devices. Understanding their differences and how they work is crucial for anyone using the internet. Let's dive in. There are two fundamental devices you need to know about. First is the modem. Think of a modem as a translator. It connects directly to your internet service provider and converts their signal into data that your devices can understand. Second is the router. The router takes that internet connection from the modem and shares it wirelessly or through cables to all your devices like phones, laptops, and smart TVs. So the modem brings the internet in, and the router spreads it around your home. Let's compare these two devices. The modem's primary role is to connect your home to your internet service provider. A router's role is to distribute that internet connection to multiple devices at the same time. In terms of devices supported, a modem usually works with one device, while a router can handle many devices simultaneously. For connectivity, a modem uses cable, DSL, fiber, or satellite connections from your ISP. A router uses Wi-Fi and Ethernet ports. Finally, regarding security, modems have basic to no security features, while routers include firewalls and Wi-Fi encryption to protect your network. Security is an important consideration. Modems offer basic authentication only with no encryption features or advanced security protocols. This means your data traveling through the modem can be monitored by your internet service provider. Routers, on the other hand, have built-in firewalls, Wi-Fi encryption using WPA3 standard, and advanced security options. Routers protect all your connected devices from unauthorized access and threats. This is why a router is essential for keeping your home network secure. Both modems and routers can experience problems. Common modem issues include no internet connection, blinking or red status lights, slow speeds, and signal dropout. Common router issues are when Wi-Fi doesn't broadcast, weak signal or dead zones, frequent disconnections, and device connection failures. The good news is that most issues can be solved with a simple first fix: restart both devices. Unplug the modem and router for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug them back in. This refreshes the connection and resolves most temporary problems. Here are 4 basic troubleshooting steps to follow. First, verify all physical connections. Check that all cables are secure and not damaged. Second, power cycle both your modem and router. Unplug both devices for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Always power on the modem first, then the router. This allows them to establish connection in the correct order. Third, check the status lights on both devices. You should see solid green lights, which indicate normal operation. Red or blinking lights suggest a problem. Fourth, check for internet service provider outages. Contact your internet service provider to confirm that their service is available in your area. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try these advanced techniques. For command line tools, use the ping test to check if your device can reach external servers. Use Tracert on Windows or Traceroute on Mac to find where the connection breaks in the path to your destination. Use ipconfig on Windows or ifconfig on Mac to view detailed network configuration and IP address information. For hardware checks, carefully inspect all cables for damage, fraying, or loose connections. Check if devices are overheating by feeling them and making sure they have proper ventilation. Inspect physical ports and antennas for visible damage that might affect performance. Regular maintenance keeps your devices working well. For your modem, reboot it monthly or as needed by unplugging for 30 seconds to clear its cache memory. Keep it in an open area with good airflow to prevent overheating. Clean it every 3 to 6 months using compressed air to remove dust. For your router, restart it every 1 to 2 months to improve performance and apply updates. Check for firmware updates monthly and enable automatic updates when available. Periodically, remove unused connected devices from your network to keep it running smoothly and securely. Security should be a top priority. First, change your default passwords immediately. Replace the default admin username and password with strong, unique credentials containing at least 12 characters with mixed case, numbers, and symbols. Second, enable WPA3 encryption on your Wi-Fi or use WPA2 at minimum. Avoid using the old WEP encryption standard. Third, update your firmware regularly. Enable automatic updates to patch security vulnerabilities and flaws. Fourth, disable unnecessary features like WPS, remote administration, and UPnP to reduce your network's attack surface. Finally, set up a guest network to provide Wi-Fi for visitors and Internet of Things devices, keeping your primary network protected and secure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.